Hi, Bats 54 here today. I'm gonna show you a tour of my model Boeing 7400. As you can see, it's not really in the best shape. You can't keep a model around for 10 years or so. Okay, so first we'll start off with the cockpit right here. The nose is right here. Okay. I only have one of them right now, but that's a jet turbine engine. It's supposed to be there, there, and there. You see the red and green lights? Those are left, right, and left, or port and starboard. If you drop out, maybe. Okay, that's one of the lights. I don't know what kind of. That is the front landing gear right there. Okay. As you can see, Boeing 747-400 have the winglets. Just want to let you know that. You might have been wondering. On the back wing. Okay. These are what makes the plane go up and down right here. The elevators. This is the flap. Oh, the rudders are in the back right here. Back nose. On the wings right here. This is Aerion, I think, right here. Flaps and stuff like that. Not really sure. These are some things that they have on like 747-400s. And yeah, that's the only 747 that has them. Right here is the fuselage in the back. Okay. Now to the lower landing gear, right here to the middle. Yep, got that. Here's the first level right here of the plane, yeah. And that's the second level. Same thing on the other side. And on the body of the plane, this is the cargo door. Should be right over here somewhere. Not quite sure, but the gear comes in. And you got flying, going. Well, that was Dot 54 giving you a tour of a Boeing 747-400 model, and I'll see you next time.